My name is Shrimanth. I've completed my engineering in the stream of electronics and communication. My year of passed is 2020. So I joined Pyspiders just now in 2022. So basically I joined Python testing. Later I completed my course in SQL, automation, Selenium and manual testing. So coming to my faculties were very encouraging and supportive. They gave me a confidence how to face the interview and how to clear the interview. Due to their encouragement, I went through all struggles and I cleared my interview.
Yeah, hi, I'm Rachna. I'm a Python Selenium trainer in Pyspiders, Basavanagudi. And Shrimanth is as he has done a very nice practice and he has done his hard work. Due to his hard work, he has got placed in a Accenture's company with 2.6 LPA package.